Stay ahead of the pack with this extended out front bike mount that lets you take full advantage of the capabilities of your Edge without compromising your ride. This mount with extended arm allows you to stay in a comfortable heads-up position for easier monitoring and improved safety. Also compatible with the Forerunner 910 XT and 310 XT when used with a quick release kit, sold separately. Simple installation by just removing the screws from the bottom, rotating the inner mount and reinserting the screws. Compatible devices: Edge 1000, Edge 1000, Edge 130, Edge 130, Edge 130, Edge 130, Edge 20, Edge 20, Edge 200, Edge 200, Edge 25, Edge 25, Edge 500, Edge 500, Edge 510, Edge 510, Edge 520, Edge 520, Edge 520 Plus, Edge 520 Plus, Edge 520 Plus, Edge 520 Plus, Edge 800, Edge 800, Edge 810, Edge 810, Edge 820, Edge 820, EdgeExplore 1000, EdgeExplore 1000, EdgeExplore 820, EdgeExplore 820, EdgeTouring, EdgeTouring, EdgeTouring Plus, EdgeTouring Plus, Forerunner 310 XT, Forerunner 310 XT, Forerunner 910 XT, Forerunner 910 XT, Forerunner 920 XT, Forerunner 920 XT, Varia Rearview Radar, Varia Rearview Radar, Varia RTL 510, Varia RTL 510. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. This product is great. I never have to worry about my Garmin falling off during a ride, and since it sits in front of the handlebars, it doesn't get in the way.